Welcome to Operation
Yum.
Today we're going to make
Chicken soup.
For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. This recipe is a little healthier than what you would find in a can. It's also a great way to use leftover chicken or turkey. Today we're using pre-cooked shredded chicken.
Before you cook anything, you should wash your hands.
Let's get started! Our first step is we're going to cut the vegetables. We're going to start with these carrots here. Cole, do you want to try?
Yes.
Okay, so you can pick up the green knife, and when you're going to cut, hold on a second, let's move these carrots out of the way so that you're just going to focus on that one. So you want to have sort of thin slices. You're doing a good job. You can hold the carrot with your left hand a little further down. That's it, as long as you keep your fingers out of the way. Okay, so we're done with the carrots now. Let's put these aside and then we'll cut the onion. Cole, do you remember what usually happens when I cut an onion at home?
Yeah, you cry. Are you starting to cry?
No, not yet, thankfully. Okay, all done. Okay, so we're done with this round of vegetables. Now it's time to add oil to the pan. Now that the oil is hot, we're gonna add the vegetables. Cole, do you wanna grab the carrots?
Sure.
Okay. You can dump them right in the pot. Nice. Hear them sizzling. I'm gonna add the onion. Cole, do you wanna stir these vegetables?
Sure.
That way they won't burn. You can put your hand on the edge of the pot there. Good. Cole, do you wanna add the spice?
Yeah, where's the spice?
It's right here. We've measured out about a teaspoon of it. So you can take that and dump it in. After it sautés for about a minute, we're gonna add kale as our next step. All right, Cole, can you grab a couple handfuls of kale? You can put it on the cutting board. We need about a cup, which is probably about 2 handfuls. That's good. And now we're gonna just rip this up and put it in the pot. So. Because I like a lot of noodles in my chicken soup.
Yeah, me too. I'll stir.
You want to stir it?
Yep.
There you go. You can hold the handle. After everything's in the pot, we're going to let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, you want to give it a taste?
Sure. Yum.